Pastor Boye. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
I couldn't wait for long yesterday, but I'm sure you had a great time.
Yes, I did. I did.
I saw all your girlfriends.
They are not my
Are they your sisters?
Well, Foluke, there's something I'm here to talk to you about.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Foluke, of all the ladies I know, you are the most special. You are priceless. You are invaluable. Foluke, you are the one my heart yearns for. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Foluke.
Sir, can you come again?
From what part?
From the beginning.
Foluke, of all the ladies I know, you are the most priceless. You are invaluable. You are special. You are the one my heart yearns for. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Did you cram
it? Yes. But you are the one my heart yearns for.
I can't make this decision on my own. I will have to carry my family along.
It's fine by me. It's fine.
I would like to take my dinner.
Okay. No problem.
Okay. Bye.
Folu.
Yes, Bami.
Ọmọkùnrin kí o sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ fún mi. Are you sure you love him?
Yes, Bami. I love him.
Kí o rí lára rẹ̀ gan. What do you see in him that makes you love him?
Bami. His humility drew me close to him. He is very down to earth and simple. Bami. He does not have it all. Yet, he has it all. He does not know it all. Yet, he knows it all. He is the type of man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
What if he doesn't like me?
Then you have to forget about marrying me.
So,
do whatever you can to make him like you. Bami today. Mr. Adeboye, ẹ jókòó sir.
He's already around.
But he's not inside yet.
He's almost inside.
Mr. Adeboye, ẹ jókòó sir.
What should I do when he comes inside?
Then you prostrate. What are you doing?
I'm prostrating.
Mr. Adeboye, please get up and sit down.
I want him to meet me like this.
Mr. Adeboye, get up and sit down.
Okay.
Ejuko, sit down. Just calm down. Okay? Just calm down.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà.
Ọmọlúwàbí.
Báwo? Ẹ káàbọ̀ sà.
Stand up, stand up.
Yes, sir.
Sit. Young man, who are you?
I'm Enoch, sir. Enoch Adeboye.
Enoch Adeboye.
Báwo? This is the man I told you about, sir.
Ọmọkùnrin kí mo yẹ kẹlárí mi àbí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sir.
Young man, you are the one that stole my daughter's heart.
No, sir.
Báwo?
Tó ti wá nǹkan fún àlejò kọjẹ.